It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, today I came up with some very good question series here, which is a combo of geometry, permutations and combinations, mensuration, right? So you will be literally mesmerized with the questions what we will be seeing today, right? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is Anilan Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, what is the difference between plus and iconic, sir? And what are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus? In iconic, one such greatest advantage is you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? Now you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program from your mentor and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will get best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage is personalized test analysis from your mentor. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, and if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. This is what students need right now, because most of them complain me, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus but we are not able to solve the questions, we are not able to apply the things to the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful, right? That corrections will be made. One more advantage when you choose Iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes so that you can complete all your software courses. This will be a damn good backup for core engineering branch students for their career, right? Hi Kumar, hi Swarupa, good afternoon. Of course, whatever you get in Plus, you will get in Iconic also. These are the features of Plus and Iconic. How much you have to invest. If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest. But not for this 3 days, right? 27th, 28th, 29th, 30. Whomsoever subscribes on this 4 days, you will be getting 20% discount. But it's not 10% when you use my code. You will be getting 20% discount when you use my code NLN10, right? Now see here, whom it is applicable for all the categories on the Unacademy, not only GATE ESE, UPSC, CAT, right? Whatsoever category you subscribe on Unacademy, you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. And these are the prices for Iconic. On this prices, yes, as I said there, apart from the features what I have explained you in the previous slide, you will be getting notes prepared by topmost educators in India, so which has gone through rigorous checks, right? This is the best quality material right now available in the market, right? So these are the prices, right? On this prices, you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. And again, you can buy exclusively notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? So the printed notes also, on this printed notes also, you will be getting 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. Right? Yes. Let's start our discussion here. We have solved some questions yesterday, right? These are the questions. So I'll go to the next one. So what I will do is I will be giving you, let's see which question. Yes, this is the question now. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Let's see how many can solve this. Try this, right? PNC based question. One minute more. So do try to hit the like button now, so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? If you like the session, right? If you can draw the diagram, automatically you can solve the question very, very easily. Any answer for this? Swaroop, Nitin, Nabeen, Harsha, regular students, right? Nobody got the answer there. Easy one, yeah? Now see, observe the things there. I'll draw the diagram, then we can understand the things there. Field A is in the shape of a hexagon, it seems. So this is a hexagon, ma. And field B is in the shape of a square. I'll take down square here. This is the square. Now this is field A and this is field B. Both fields have a pole erected on each of the corners, it seems. Let us suppose take this is a corner and there is a pole here. It is a corner, there is a pole here. Same applicable here. This is the corner, there is a pole here. There is a corner, yes, there is a pole here. So of course you can draw on all the sides there. Now each pole is connected with all the remaining poles using straight rods. So the poles are connected with straight rods, it seems. If two poles belonging to the same field, let us suppose take these two poles are belonging to the same field. Okay, so they are connected using one straight rod. Okay, they are connected using two straight rods, it seems. So I'll draw this, right? So between these two, how many rods will be there? Two rods will be there. Hope so clear. Same case applicable here also, right? So this is a rod at the corner, pole, and these two poles are connected with two straight rods. Okay, finally exactly explained this. Okay, next, any other doubt? Now otherwise they are connected using one straight rod, it seems. Ab dekho, so otherwise it seems, I'll write down in red ink. Now see here, this pole to this pole, one rod will be connected, right? This field to this field. So see here, this field to this field, this corner. Of course you got the point there. Perfectly done. Vice versa, right? Between B or A or B, both are same. Now find the total number of all the straight rods required to connect all these points is the question asked. Let us find out first of all with respect to A. Totally how many corners are there? 6 corners are there. Choose any two corners, 6C2. In between these two corners, how many straight rods will be there? 2 rods will be there. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? 6C2 is nothing but equal to how much here? 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Am I right or wrong? 15 into 2, it is 30. Similarly, find out this one in this B. So totally out of 4 corners, select any 2 corners. So totally how many corners did you select there? 4C2 matlab 4 corners. Am I right or wrong? 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 corners, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 diagonals, totally 6. Okay. Into how many straight rods? 2 straight rods. So automatically how many will be this day? Is it 12? Yes, it is 12. Hope so it is clear. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Perfectly right, right? 6 2s are 12. Now you have to find out this one straight rods, how many will be there, right? So from each and every pole, how many poles are there to each and every other pole here? 6 into 4 24 or 4 into 6 24, right? Whatsoever. So finally add all those things. 30 plus 24 plus 12. Is this your answer there? 54 plus 12, is it 66? And totally 66 rods are there, and this will be your final answer there. How many of you got the answer there? So see here, in this entire scenario, if you can draw the diagram, automatically you are unstoppable. Okay, let's come to the next one. Again, one more PNC based question. Before thing is geometry based. Now this is numbers based, right? Let's see how many can answer this. 2 minutes. In how many ways can the letters of the English alphabet be arranged so that there are 7 letters between the letters A and B is the question asked here. Okay, 5 seconds more. Any answers? Right? So be active in the comment section box so that we can solve more number of questions. Where is Datta today? Yeah, no answers for this, right? See here. In how many ways can the letters of the English alphabet be arranged? Letters of the English alphabet. There will be totally 26 English alphabets. Can be arranged so that there are 7 letters between A and B, it seems here. No, it's not option B here. Let's check, right? So there are 7 letters between alphabet A and B. Let us suppose take A is in the first position. There must be a gap of 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is B. Up you closely observe there. I'll give numbers there. If A is in first position, B will be in ninth position. Am I right or wrong? 1 plus 7, 8, ninth position. Let us suppose take if B is in second position, A is in second position, B will be in 10th position. Am I right or wrong? So on, so on, so on. Can I write down like this? So finally, if B is in 26th position, where will be A? There will be gap of 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is our A. You closely observe there 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Is it 19? No, did we missed out anything there? Did we missed out anything there? 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7 letters has to be there now. 7 letters has to be there now. Now this is E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18 position. अब ध्यान से सुनो, right? So let us move A from first position to second, second to third, fourth to fifth. So how many positions can A occupy? From 1 to 18, any of the positions it can occupy. Am I right or wrong? Out of 1 to 18, any positions it can occupy. So how many chances for A? 18 chances for A. Similarly, how many chances for B? B can occupy from 9 to how much here? From to 26. So totally how many are? Again 18. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? So A depending on B. Vice versa. If B is here, A will be here. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Perfectly right. If B is here, A will be here. So automatically this 18 will be repeated twice. So 18 into 2. So remaining how many alphabets are there? 24 alphabets are there. And these 24 alphabets must be arranged in 24 factorial ways. So into 24 factorial. So finally, what is my answer there? Total English alphabets can be arranged in this fashion. Yes, Scorpion, very good. So and your option number? Aram se, right? So in PNC, that's why every examination contains PNC questions, right? There will be no hyperbolic calculations in this. Only thing is presence of mind, patience. Let's see one more PNC question and how. So, think in a general way. Never ever try to use formulas to solve these questions there, right? Or we have only 2 formulas here, right? NPR and NCR. Try this. A train is going from Mumbai to Pune. Think in a general way and makes 5 stops on the way. So for your convenience, what I will do, I'll draw the things there. So a train is here Mumbai, and this is Pune. In between, there are 5 stops, it seems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 3 persons enter the train after it has started from Bombay. So they didn't enter in Bombay. They entered after the Bombay, it seems. After it has started Bombay with 3 different tickets. So they might enter at station 1. So I'll write down here station 1. They might enter at station 2. They might enter at station 3. They might enter at station 4. They might enter at station 5. How many different sets of tickets may they have had is the question asked. How many different set of tickets? So how many different set of tickets? Any idea to solve this? 3 different tickets. Let us suppose take beta. If these 3 guys enter at station 1, of course, let us suppose take if a person enter at station 1, let us suppose that Sumit entered at station 1. So he might drop at station 2. So he will be taking a ticket for station 2. He might drop at station 3, station 4, station 5, Pune. So how many chances for Sumit are there here? Either he might take a ticket for station 2, station 3, station 4, station 5 and Pune. So 5 tickets possible. Okay. Coming to next one. If Sumit entered at station 2, he might drop at station 3, station 4, station 5, Pune. How many different set of tickets might be here? 4 tickets. If Sumit entered at station 3, he might drop at 4, 5, Pune, 3. If Sumit entered at station 4, he might drop at 5, Pune, 2 tickets. If he enters at station 5, he will be dropping in Pune only, 1 ticket. So totally, how many different set of tickets are there with you? Count it and let me know. How many different set of tickets are there with you? 15. So out of this, 3 tickets has to be chosen, selected, and you are not asked to arrange one. For person 1, for person 2, person 3, you are not asked to arrange Anshita Gupta, right? You are just asked to select, right? आपके पास एक box था. This box for 15 different tickets, you have to pick up 3 for 3 different persons. So your answer is 15C3 and your option number 3. Done. So how many of you got the logic there? Exactly. Then we go for the next question. Yes. And yes, one and again. So this is directions based, PNC based question. Let's see how many can answer this. You are not asked to assign tickets to the person Anshita. So that's why there is no need of arrangement. You are not asked to find out what ticket to Sumit, what ticket to Scorpion, what ticket to the other one, right? Just you are asked to select 3 different sets. Why not option B, right? Scorpion, that's what I said there, right? You are not asked to assign tickets to each and every one. You are just asked to find out different set of tickets only. Out of those 15, do you exactly know which person will drop at which station? Do you know exactly which person will drop at which station? No. Then how can you arrange it? That is not asked in the question, na? Well, seconds more. Anil and Vinil are at diagonally opposite sides of a rectangle 6 meter into 7 meter. Okay. Shown below, the rectangle is divided into grids of dimensions 1m into 1m, 1 meter into 1 meter. Anil can only move along the grid lines to the right and up. to the right and up. So like this. So see here, I'll write down here, to the right, Anil, to the right and up. Then the number of ways in which Anil can go towards Vinil without meeting Prapti. So he has to avoid the entire ways of Prapti moving. Am I right or wrong? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is 6 and this is 7. So let's find out the ways. First of all, total. So see here, I'll not go with constructive approach, right? I'll go from backward flip. Means from total ways. From total base, I will remove Prapti moving ways. So automatically that will be the ways of Vinil meeting Anil. Anil meeting Vinil without meeting Prapti. So Prapti traveling ways. If I can remove from total Prapti traveling ways, automatically I can find out the ways of Anil meeting Vinil without meeting Prapti. First of all, let's find out the total there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right and up only na 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Am I right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total 13 stripes are there. And in those 13 stripes, how many are horizontal and how many are vertical? Calculated. So horizontal, vertical, I'll write on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right or wrong? 6 horizontals are there and 7 verticals are there, and you can fix. Let's subtract the Prapti traveling way so that I'll get the answer of Anil moving towards. So see here, this is nothing but called Prapti moving towards Vinil. Prapti moving towards Vinil. Am I right or wrong? See, observe there. This is the way where Prapti, or otherwise I'll take down like this. 1, right and up on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I right or wrong? Calculate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is what Prapti moving towards Vinil. 7 factorial divided by how many horizontals are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Now, closely observe there. I have to remove Prapti moving towards Anil this way also now. This is nothing but Anil moving towards Prapti or Prapti moving towards Anil. This must also be avoided by Anil because Prapti is interfering in that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 factorial divided by how many horizontals are there? 1, 2, 3 are there. So 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Now see here, this is completely Prapti moving ways. These are not two different cases. So I have to multiply this. Now if you subtract this entire bracket value from total, and you will get the answer of total Anil moving towards Vinil without interfering or without meeting Prapti. So how many of you got the logic there? Perfect logic. Yes. So observe the question there, and you can solve the remaining things very, very easily. There is no need of calculation from me. Now, chalo, try this again. This is also a transportation based permutations and combinations question. Try this. Let's see how many can do this. So coming next question also will be so interesting here. Coming questions are all interesting questions only. So I'm expecting more attendance. Right? Do try to hit the like button. There are more than 20 students in the class. Please do try to hit the like button so that I can reach to more number of audience. Janaki starts walking from her school such that she takes a total of 4 steps of equal length. So she only takes 4 steps. She takes each step in any of the 4 directions, that is east, west, north and south. What is the total number of ways in which Janaki will be back at her starting point school after completing the above mentioned operation is the question asked. Any answers for this? 20 seconds more, right? Answers, right? Ab dekho. I'll draw it. First of all, let us suppose take this is Janaki's school. So Janaki can take 4 steps of equal length. Let us suppose take Janaki traveled 1 step towards north, 1 step towards east, 1 step towards south, 1 step towards school. She reached the school there. So see, this is the format: north, comma, east, comma, south, comma, west. Am I right or wrong? So is this the only way? No. So see here, this NESW can be written as she can move towards west. I'll write down one more way also. She can move towards west. She can move towards south. She can move towards east, and she can move towards north, and can come back to the school there. What I have wrote there: west, south. Am I right or wrong? West, south, east, north. And they go by this. What can I say? Is this nothing but called arrangement of NSWN? So how many ways can you arrange this? Is this 4 factorial? 4 factorial is nothing but equal to 24. Yes. This is your one way. Yes, Anshita gave me the answer there. But is this the only way? No, yeah. There is one more way also. I'll take down like this. So let us suppose take this is the school of Janaki. Let us suppose take, right? So 1 step towards north. Second step also towards north. 2 steps are done. Now let's see here. Let's come back. Now again 1 step towards south. 1 step towards south. So done. See here, 4 steps are done. What she has done? 1 step towards north, 1 step towards north, 1 step towards south, 1 step towards south, and close again 4 factorial. But there are duplicities, so my answer will be 4 factorial by duplicities must be eliminated now. 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So my answer will be NNSS, SSNN, NSNS, SNSN. Only 4. Am I right or wrong? So 6 I will get. Am I right or wrong? Yes, not 4, 6. I can write down this one. So in layman approach also you can write down my NSNS, SNSN, SNNS, right? NSSN, NNSS, SSNN. Am I right or wrong? Totally, did you got the 6 ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correctly. Similarly, if I wrote like this, you can easily understand this one also, right? So let us sum. This is one way. So let us. This is the school there. Now see here, Janaki move towards 1 step towards west. Again 1 step towards west. And see here, 1 step towards east. East. So automatically, is this the way there? WW. Yes. WWEE. Of course, she is back to her school there. Now this also can be arranged in 6 ways. So finally, my answer will be not 24, Martin. 24 plus 6 plus 6. Totally, it will be 36 ways. This is my answer there. So how many of you got this? Is it clear? Done. So total your answer will be 4 factorial by S 6. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 24 36. So 36 ways is your answer there. Focus on solving the things that you can easily get the answer. Let's go for the next one. Yes, this is one of the finest question in permutations and combinations. So today's questions were so interesting. Am I right? Expecting students to hit the like button here. In how many ways 7 people can sit in a row with 25 chairs such that at least one empty chair is between two consecutive couple? Again, think in a general way, right? Don't try to, do with any formulas, right? So formulas will not work out here, first of all. 95% of the thing you have to crack with general logic only. To think in a aram se, right? You have gone to a party. Let us suppose take relatives came to your party. How many people came? 7 people. In how many ways? 7 people can sit in a row with a 20. Let us suppose take in your house there are 25 chairs. So from this 25 chairs, you took 7 chairs outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this 7 people can be seated down in the 7 chairs in how many ways? 7 factorial ways. 7 factorial ways. Now closely observe there. Yes. Now let's do the next part such that there must be at least one empty chair between two consecutive people. It's at least one chair. Let us fill the remaining chairs. At least one. I'll start with minimum value. So between two. So I'll add one chair here, at least one. Second chair, 3. Next one, next one, next one, next one. Totally how many chairs are done there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 7. Totally 13 chairs are done, ma. So how many chairs are there next? So out of 10, 12 chairs are there. Am I right or wrong? Because 25 chairs are 12. Now how can you make this 12 chairs to sit down? Now dekho beta, this 12 chairs can be here. This 12 chairs can be here, 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 can be so. So of course, from 0 to 12, any number can be there. So this slot can contain 0 to 12. This slot also 0 to 12. So how many slots are there? So I'll write down these slots as the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. 8A plus B plus C. The slot names are A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H. So this slot number count is how much, ma? Is it 12 chairs? Yes. Ab dekho, we have seen in Bose-Einstein separator theorem, we can do it like this, right? So how many 8 persons are there? Let us suppose to convert it 12 coins. So how many partitions you have to make for 8 persons? 7 part. Let us suppose this is a rope, ma. So in order to give to 2 persons, you may have to make 1 cut. So for 8 persons, how many partitions? 7 partitions. So 12 blocks are there. 12 plus 7, total 19 blocks are there. This 19 blocks can be arranged in 19 factorial ways. In those, duplicities are 7 partitions and 12. So finally, what will be your answer there? 7 factorial into 19 factorial by 7 factorial into 12 factorial. That will be your answer there. This is your answer. A little bit higher level question, but you have seen this patterns of questions in mathematics, right? For sure. This right. So there are 12. So see here. Let us suppose take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are there here. So you have to share it to. So let us suppose take I want to share one chair to this slot. So I will do a partition here. Second slot, third slot, fourth slot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So see here. 12 chairs are there na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chairs are there. So how I have divided these 12 chairs? ऐसा partition किया. आप देखो right, see here. There are 12 chairs. 12 chairs ने मैं ऐसा partition किया. So there is no need that this partition should be here. This partition can be here also. Am I right or wrong? So partitions are not fixed. They can also move. So automatically how many slots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So see here. Apart from 12 chairs, how many partitions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 partitions made it to 8. So NS then SC, how can you consider that? You can consider also that one also. See here, automatically this is nothing but called arrangement. This 7th partition can be in first place, first partition can be in 7th place. Totally how many blocks are available here? 7 blocks plus 12 chairs, totally 19, and these are arranged. These 19 blocks are arranged in 19 factorial ways. In those duplicities, 12 are chairs, 7 are partitions. This is what arrangement. Done? Hope so. Now I am clear. Exactly. Let's see. Yes, this question. I'm expecting you guys to answer this question. Next, we'll go for the next question. So, mensuration based question, right? Let us change the topic there. That possibilities are counted in 24 ways. Yes. Why multiple? That's what Scorpion. This is what I said there. So you have divided this 12 chairs. Let us suppose take by आपके पास 12 sweets था. You have 8 persons. How many divisions will you make? That's what you have done. Duplicities ना. आपका टेबल पर 12 sweets था यार. You have to share to 8 people. How many cuts will you make? The same thing. A circular table is pushed into the corner of a rectangular room in such a way that it just touches 2 adjacent walls. An ant crawling on the table rim on the minor arc between the 2 points of contact observes that it is 8 inches from the one wall and 1 inch from the other. Find the diameter of the table, it seems. First of all, let's draw the thing there. Then we can get a clarity. This is a circular table here. It is pushed towards a, so I'll take down like this. This is a rectangular wall. Now see here in this entire circular table, this part is nothing but called your minor arc. Am I right or wrong? This is your minor arc. Observe, this is your minor arc. This is your minor arc. Closely observe there. I'll write down one more point. Now, this is your center of the table there. If this is the center of the table, now this will be called your radius of the table. Let us suppose take your right, your ant is here. Your ant is here. Now this is your ant. Now see, this is your radius of the table. Will you accept with me? Yes, this is your radius of the table. Now see, the point given here is it is 1 inch from the one table, I mean from the other one side, and 8 inches from the other side, it seems. So let us suppose I will take down this as 1 inch. Of course, exactly don't scale it, right? I'm just writing down the data there. Now I'll take down this as 8 inch. 8 inch from one side, from one wall. 8 inch from one wall. So from one wall it is 1 inch. If you closely observe there, I'll write down one more point there. See, from here to here is this nothing but called radius. Now in this, so from here to here, observe here, I am writing down one more point there. From here to here, this is that I'll take down. Now see here, what is this distance there? This is nothing but exactly 8 inch. Yes or no? So I will be removing this. So from radius, how much did you remove? 8 inch. Am I right or wrong? So this value will be r minus 8. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. And you closely observe there. I'll take down this one. This is your radius. Now again, I'll take down. Now see here how much you have to remove here. Done. Now see here how what you have removed. This part is nothing but called 1 inch. Am I right or wrong? This part is nothing but called 1 inch. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Now I have removed this one. I will be removing it this. So automatically when you closely observe there, what will be this value there? This is r minus 8 now. This is r na. How much value? How much will be this value? Same parallel value na. This value will be r minus 1. This red value r minus 1. I hope so you understood this, because I am taking down this yellow value as r, radius of the circle na. So by Pythagoras, so this is a Pythagoras theorem exactly approach. Yes, very good. So r minus 8 whole square plus r minus 1 whole square is nothing but equal to r square. Now let us calculate this, all these things. R square plus 64 minus 16r is equal to r square plus 1 minus 2r is equal to r square. Am I right or wrong? So 1r square gets cancelled off. So what will be left over? R square will be left over. Minus 16 minus 12 will be minus 18r. So 64 plus 1 will be 65 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. 13 5s are 65 minus 18. So r minus 13 r minus 5 is equal to 0. So you will get two positive values, but you cannot take 5. If you take 5, it will be right. If you take, so you should not consider this here, Scorpion, right? So see here, if you take 5, the answer will be negative value. So root will not be r minus 5. R is equal to 13 is your answer. So what is the question asked? Find the diameter of the table. Now, after doing all these things, don't jump into conclusion here. See here, 13 inches radius. This is radius. You are asked to find out 2R value. 2R value is 26. So, your option. So, after doing all these things, students write down R as the answer and then find out the, tick the A option there. That will be going wrong. Okay. Hope so I am clear. Let's see one more question here. 1 second. So see, this is the, what is the question asked here is a square by b square. And this is 10 feet, ma. Now try it. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Ant and fly concept. What is this? Why not 5? Anshita, it is radius. You are asked to find out. Arey yaar, Bishwa Mohan, right? If you take 5, R minus 8 value will be how much? R value is 5. 5 minus 8. Can your answer be negative value? No, na. Your answer cannot be, radius cannot be negative value, na. A room is in the shape of a cube. No issues, right? No need of saying sorry. You can clear your doubt, that's enough. This is what you have to learn. Clearing all your doubts. A room is in the shape of a cube with each of its sides measuring 10 feet. An ant at one vertex crawls to the diagonally opposite farthest vertex by taking the shortest possible route. Shortest possible route will always through hypotenuse only. The distance it covers is A. Meanwhile, a bee starting at the destination of the ant flies by the shortest route to the original location of the ant, it seems, covering a distance B. In the process, what is the value of A square by B square is the question asked here. So I'll draw the things there, you can understand. So this is a cube, it seems. You closely observe that ant cannot fly. It can crawl on the surface of the cube only. Let us suppose take, I'll take down like this, 1 second. Let us suppose take ant is here. Ant crawls on the surface of the cube only. What I see, this is your front face of the cube. This is your right hand side face of the cube. So this will be like this. So what I will do, this right hand side of the face cube, I'll flip like this and I'll keep like this. So I'll draw like this, 1 second. You can observe this one. See, I'll flip it and I'll draw like this. Now see here, this is your front face and this is your right face. Flipped it now. Now see here, on your front face, where is it? The ant there? Ant is here. Now see here, ant has to crawl the farthest point. Now this is the farthest point here. Now how it can crawl? It can crawl through shortest point means hypotenuse way only. Exactly, if you draw the diagram on the cube, it will be looking like this one. This will be the shortest path. Now you closely observe there. I'll take down here. Now see here. This is called your A. What is the A value there? So this is 10 side. This is also 10. Okay, complete. This is 10. So automatically this is your hypotenuse value. Root of 20 means 20 square 400 plus 100. Am I right or wrong? So totally this will be how much? 10 root 5. 500 na? 10 root 5. Rupesh, right? You can join our special classes, right? I am taking the alternative days GK classes for TSSP DCL. So do try to join those classes, Rupesh. Follow my link, right? My name is Sanga NLN Sharma. So follow on the app and share with your friends also. And one more point, I'll be giving you this one. Now here B is there. Now B will be coming to AND position, right? Now see, there is no need of crawling for B. B can fly. So what B will be doing is from here to here directly it will fly. From here to here it will be flying. Now this is called your B value. Now closely observe that this is your B value. Now B is nothing but called body diagonal of the cube there. Body diagonal will be how much ma? A square plus B square plus C square. Of course your A, B, C all are same. So this will be 10 root 3. 100 plus 100 plus 100, 10 root 3. Now what is the question asked? You are asked to find out A square by B square. So 10 root 5 whole square, at last finally this will be 5 by 3. Is there any option with 5 by 3? Yes, there is an option with 5 by 3 and this is your option there. If the strength is very good, I will teach for sure Rupesh, right? If the strength is very less, I cannot. At least there must be 20 na so ab dekho aaj class par 40 students tha. So these are the questions. We will see more number of questions in the coming classes also, right? So how are the questions today? Are they fine? Did you enjoyed it? So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock free classes with my code NLN10. Plus per nahi available yaar. And yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. So these are the prices for plus normal prices ma, but ab dekho from June 27th to June 30th, right? You will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. It is valid for all the subscriptions on Unacademy. Of course, right? For iconic also, right? You will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. So share with your friends. Those who are interested to join under my guidance for CAT, UPSC and GATE, you can use my code. And yes, I will be forwarding my notes to the community features. I will be interacting with you. You can ask me any doubt in the community feature, right? And all the updates regarding my classes, do join there. And those who are expecting only test series, right, you can go with Unacademy Lite, right? So you will be getting DPPs, daily practice problems, sectional tests, right? And also full length tests, of course, right? So if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone's help. Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Click the picture of the question what you have doubt, right? Crop it and upload in doubts and solution section, right? Select your preferred language and ask 3 doubts at a time, right? You can ask 3 doubts at a go. Do try to join my special classes, right? So I'm dealing campus placement strategy sessions, emerging technologies, career opportunities after GATE, where there are huge number of crowd in my classes, right? So do try to join and the interaction will be 10x more than here. And yes, do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding all the classes, right? Not only me, all the educators, updates, courses, all those things. Please do try to hit the like button here so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? So if you like it, so subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram group and communities, right? Hit the bell icon to get the updates. Done. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.